guys, it's Ali. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm unboxing the Charlotte Tilbury Makeup to Mesmerize mystery box. So if you want to see the 6 items I got in this box, then go ahead and keep on watching. For anyone who doesn't know, Charlotte Tilbury recently launched 2 mystery boxes. So we had a skincare one and the one I'm looking at in today's video, which is the makeup box. The skincare video will be linked in the description box down below. So be sure to check that one out after you've seen this video. But I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I got. I'm first going to show you the little extras that I got with my order because I think these are always exciting. Plus, I intend to give away 3 products from Charlotte Tilbury. So if you guys do want to give away, then let me know in the comment section down below. The first free item that I got with my order was the Collagen Lip Bath in the shade Pillow Talk. I'm not going to swatch it just because I already know that I don't want this product, but this is what it looks like in the packaging. I also received the Bella Sophia eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like. I'll do some quick swatches because I'm probably going to keep this. I do like an eyeshadow. These are the swatches. They're not super great because the shades aren't super dark, but this is what the palette shades look like. There's a shimmery gold right at the top there. And the last thing I got was a Pillow Talk Diamonds lipstick. And this is what it looks like. I'm not going to use this because it's a shimmery lipstick and I don't do shimmery lipsticks. This is in the shade Lucky Diamonds. So this would be going in a giveaway as well if you guys let me know that you do want a giveaway. I also actually picked up the new Island Dream lipstick because I quite liked the look of the shade. So I'm going to see what it looks like in real life now. But this is the packaging and it's got loads of little diamantes on the cap. And then there are tiny little lips imprinted all around the lipstick. And this is the shade, what the shade looks like. It's not picking up well on camera because I've got a lot of sunlight in my room, but that's the shade of it. And I just thought it was a really pretty color. Now we're going to get into the box. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's the exact same packaging for both mystery boxes. And then when you open it up, it does have the tissue paper on the inside. So let's take a look and see what our first product is. The first product I've picked up looks like a blush. So this has a pop middle shade and a swish outer shade. And the shade is Sex on Fire. And I'm actually quite scared because, yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do with a shade like this. This looks absolutely too light for me. But this is what it looks like. That's actually quite disappointing because I don't think that this is a wearable shade for a darker skin tone. So this, again, will probably go in a giveaway. But first product is a no from me. Next we've got a, what is this? This is an Eyes to Mesmerize. It's one of the little shadow pots in the shade Walk of No Shame. And let's see if we can get it open so we can take a look at it. So I've never had one of these before, but this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna swatch it because I can't tell if it's a matte shade or... Yeah, so this is a matte shade, which is a shame because I actually would have preferred a shimmer, but this is what Walk of No Shame looks like. It's got like a moussey texture to it. It feels quite moussey. Is this the eyeshadow? It does say Eyes to Mesmerize, so I can only assume. But I am going to try and put, oh gosh, doing this with lashes on is a bit of a mission. But I'm going to try and put the littlest amount on my lid. Okay. Okay, so it's not completely like full on matte. Once you blend it out, it's got a bit of a shimmer to it. Okay. Okay, yeah, it's just more metallic. Okay. Okay. I still would have preferred a more sparkly shade, but metallic works. Next product. Okay, so we have a lip and cheek tint, and this is in the shade Bohemian Kiss. This is what the packaging looks like. I don't know why I'm saying packaging when it's the box. So this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna pull the wand out to have a look at this shade and see if it's something that I can work with. It looks like it might be. So I'm going to do a swatch right here. Okay, so it is actually quite sheer, but it looks like a pretty shade. On the lip, I feel like you can't really see it because of the pigment of my lips. But I suppose you could layer it. Yeah. My lower lip is lighter than my upper. So you can see the colour a lot more on my bottom lip. Let's do a little pop on the cheek and see what happens. I don't have any other makeup on there, so... yeah, I feel like the melanin is just too melanated for this product. We've got a little bit, like, it's a little bit. I'm gonna put a little bit more on this cheek because I feel like they're kind of uneven. But yeah, it's one of those ones, if you're darker skinned, it is gonna be built up. I'm kind of building a really simple no makeup look using the products in this box. But yeah, let's go ahead and see what we've got next. The next thing we've got is something I actually wanted. It's the Hyaluronic and Happy Kiss lip balm, and this is in the shade Happy Berry. When these came out, I actually wanted to pick one up, but the price is what put me off. And this is what the component looks like, and I'm hoping it's a decent shade. Oh, it clicks. Okay, so it can't be wound down, so I'm just gonna wind it up just a little bit. And this is the shade I've got. And where do I want to swatch this? Let's do it on this hand. Okay, so it's quite deep. It's that bottom shade there. But I do want to put this on the lip. That looks like a gorgeous, gorgeous shade for dark skin. Oh, yeah, this shade is actually very much a bit of me. I'm a fan of this. Maybe not with this particular look because I feel like I'm looking a little bit ridiculous, but the color and the formula. Next thing is the Brow Fix Clear Brow Gel, and I mean there's nothing really to say about this. It's a clear brow gel, that's it really. But this is the spoolie that it comes with, and this is what the packaging looks like. I deliberately left this item till last. It's the biggest thing that was in here, and I think it's probably one of the most exciting if you aren't someone who buys a lot of Charlotte Tilbury. So it is the Instant Eye palette. I don't know how these are differentiated between. I don't know how they're named. Is this the Smoky Eyes Are Forever? Maybe? Yeah, so it says it has 4 hypnotic eye glow looks in here. So we've got Love Eyes, Power Eyes, Happy Eyes, and Confident Eyes. But what I want to know is if the shades in here are dark skin friendly. I've actually never had a Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow palette before, but here we have it. So like I said, it has 4 eye looks, and each eye look has a prime, enhance, and smoke shade. But these are the shades in here. And I'm gonna take a look. Okay, so we've got a lot of shimmers. That makes the palette really usable, I think, for deeper skin tones. I think you can never really go wrong with a shimmer. A shimmer is a shimmer. And the mattes, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mattes. And with the mattes, I think we've got 3 solid mattes that can be used, and then 2 that are questionable. So these 2 mattes in the first 2 sets are a little bit on the light side, but overall this looks like a really nice palette, and I think I'm going to keep it. So I'm going to do a couple swatches. This is from the Happy Eyes set. Yeah, that's a gorgeous shade. I'm actually just going to pat some of that over the top of this. Okay, that's super pretty. I actually really liked the contents of this box, which I didn't think I would, because I did actually see a couple of videos and I was a bit on the skeptical side. But we've got a decent range of shades in here. I feel like that first blush was a questionable shade, but everything else in here is actually pretty good. And if you are someone who doesn't have any other Charlotte Tilbury products apart from maybe skincare or complexion, then this box might be a shout. I do quite like the products individually. Don't know if they all work together because I don't know how I'm looking, but individually, yeah. This box has impressed me, it has. So yeah, if anyone does want to pick it up, then I'll leave a link in the description box down below. I'll also drop the link for the other video, and make sure that you do subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video. Leave a thumbs up, and I'll hopefully see you all in my next video.